I am Shlo. Today I am going to show you a model of our solar system which is made by me. So let's see.
Our Earth is a planet. It gets light from the sun. It moves around the sun. Its movement around the sun is called the revolution of the Earth. Besides Earth, there are 7 other planets that revolve around the sun. They are Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Sun. The sun is like a vast nuclear power station that produces energy by converting hydrogen into helium. It is the only star we can study close up. Mercury. The planet Mercury is like an enormous ball of metal, mostly iron. It has a wrinkled rocky surface covered in craters formed by asteroids and comets hitting the planet. It has no atmosphere and extreme temperature differences up to 600 degrees between day and night. Venus. Venus has a very thick atmosphere that makes it hard for astronomers to see the planet's surface. However, space probes have managed to send back pictures, and we know that there are volcanoes, mountains and sand. Venus is a similar size to the Earth, but is extremely hot and has a toxic atmosphere made mostly of carbon dioxide. Earth's planet has several layers making up its atmosphere. They filter out the sun's harmful rays and keep the planet at the right temperature for us to survive. The highest layer, the exosphere, is often said to be at the edge of outer space. The Hubble telescope was put into orbit by the space shuttle to record images without distortion from the atmosphere. Mars, the red planet. The surface of Mars is covered with the red dust and rocks. Its atmosphere is also pink-red from tiny dust particles. The planet is very cold as the atmosphere is too thin to trap much heat. It has ice at the north and south poles. The Curiosity rover is a 6-wheeled robot car designed to see if there could ever have been life on Mars. Jupiter is the largest planet and have the first of the gas giants. It doesn't have a solid surface like the smaller planets, which orbit is closer to the sun, but is made mostly of water and hydrogen. Its surface is like an ocean that blends it into atmosphere. Saturn is the second largest planet in our solar system and is made mostly of hydrogen and helium. The two lightest elements its atmosphere is a cloudy mass of gases. The planet is best known for its rings, which are made of dust, rocks and ice particles. The rings are incredibly thin but stretch into space for thousands of kilometers. Planet to be discovered by a telescope, Uranus is an unusual ice giant. Instead of spinning like the Earth and other planets, it rolls on its side like a barrel. Scientists think it might have tipped over by a huge crash or by the gravitational pull of a large moon. It takes 84 years to travel around the sun, so its winter lasts for 42 years. Neptune is a bright blue color with wispy clouds and a huge storm on its surface, known as the Great Dark Spot. It has the strongest wind in the solar system, reaching over 1900. It takes so long to orbit the sun. Only one Neptune has passed since it was discovered in